Hello everyone, this is Rhonda of virtuworksforyou.com, helping stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs grow businesses online with visual content marketing on a hectic schedule with ease. And the topic of this video is how to correctly set your YouTube channel settings. Now, why is setting your YouTube channel settings correctly important? And number one, because you need to organize and categorize your channel and videos to help identify the audience that is appropriate for your particular channel and videos, and also for marketing purposes as well. YouTube needs to know that information in order to help you to promote your channel and videos to the audience that you are targeting. Okay, and number two, to optimize your channel for search, and that is by filling in the correct keywords that are relevant to the content and the theme of your channel. Okay, so I'm going to take a time here and show you how to go in your channel settings and set your settings correctly. So this is my YouTube channel here. So you follow the same steps for yours. And where you see my picture here, you may have your logo there. You click on that and you scroll down, click on YouTube Studio. Excuse me, my computer's a bit slow here. Okay, there it is. So when your page loads, you come over here to the left side of your channel dashboard, and you see a list of each on the menu. You see all these links. So you want to come down and click on settings. Now, when you setting up your YouTube channel, you filling your settings when you are setting up your YouTube channel. Now, if your YouTube channel is already established and you're not quite sure that you have your settings set up correctly, you may want to check this out after that video. So here you have the settings. You have general. This is choose the currency unit you will want to see in YouTube Studio. When your channel get monetized, you just choose the currency. That's what that's for. And then you click on channel. And so you have basic info, advanced settings, and branding. So right here, you have your channel name, as you see my channel name here. And here's where you fill out all the keywords that are relevant to your channel. So my channel is for stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs growing businesses online with visual content marketing on a hectic schedule with ease. So I filled in all the keywords that are relevant to the content on my channel. Content marketing strategy, visual content marketing, content creation, visual content creation. Those are the keywords that my content is relevant to. And stay-at-home moms, women entrepreneurs, that's my audience. Virtu Words for You created, that's my brand. So all of these keywords are relevant to my channel, okay? So I wouldn't want to have keywords up here that are not relevant to my channel, that'll mess things up and, have my channel in the wrong category when it comes to keyword, and my channel would show up if someone just happened to, if I want people to find my channel based on my channel theme and content, they won't be able to find it if I have the wrong keywords. And advanced settings. So you want to set your audience. If your channel is made for kids, then you set yes. If not, no. And if you want to review this setting for every video, you click here and save all this other stuff. If you want to display the number of people subscribe your channel, that's your choice. But these settings right here, like, because YouTube has to have all content creators comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, COPPA. So you remember a few months ago when YouTube got in that thing with kids, privacy being violated. And so we had to start setting our channels where it was for kids or not. So you need to make sure this setting right here is set appropriately. And branding, you can add a video watermark. Now here's the so I'm gonna click on upload defaults. So here you can, right here in the description area right here, you can fill in all your information like your social media links, your website. You can put a short bio of who you are and what your channel is about in here too. Now, you're not going to put a title right there because every video will have a different title, but just in this description box, as it pertains to your links and your website and, just basically all your links, all of this to be ready when each time you upload a new video, so you won't have to fill this in every time you upload a new video. It's already done for you in settings, and you want to set your channel to visibility to public. So you have to make sure those are set correctly. Now, I'm just showing you the really important. So you want to set to a standard YouTube license as far as license go. Category, this is very important. My channel is an education channel, so I set it to education. Now, if your channel is sports or entertainment, auto VE, because you want to set your channel in the right category. If not, that would mess up your channel. So I had to put education back up there. Okay. So you fill out all this other stuff, language, English, allow all comments, or you can set it to where you review comments before you allow them to go through. So that's it for that. Under that link. Okay, and community. So this is where, if you want to add moderators, approve users, block words, if there's certain words that you want to block, or links. So, yeah. All right. So, after you get all your channel settings set up, you click save and close out. So I did this for tutorial purpose, so I didn't have to do anything, but be sure to save and close out when you get your settings straight. So that is it on how to correctly set your YouTube channel settings. And I want to ask you before you close out, uh, are your channel settings set correctly? And let's talk about it in the comment section. And if you like this video, thumbs up, share it out, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to click that notification bell symbol for alerts. And thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.